Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper, Friday, February the 16th, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have here 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve. And the first one I will do is the 3 stars Sudoku. And this one, yes, it's back. What is back? Well, usually the 3 stars Sudoku has 25 printed digits. This one has actually 25 printed digits, so it's back. Yeah. And this one will be number, I believe, number 8016. Before I start, let me check. No, I will do this with the 4 stars. Alright. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Almost 2 minutes passed. Let me see. How about these 6 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in those 3 boxes, so 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Shoot it here. Okay, 7. Need a 3 here. Need a 6 here. Need a 7 there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so the row between. Only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there, 7. Shoot there. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left, the 7. Shoot there. 7. 7 in this column, third column, 7 in the second column, so the first column, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7, shoot there. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row, so the first row, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7, shoot there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between, the middle column, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7, shoot there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 7. Wait, 2. 1, 5. Need a 5 here. Need a 2 there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left, 2. Should be there. Need a 2 here. How about a 5 then? Here, 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place left, the 5 should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only place left, the 5, it should be there. 5. I don't think we can continue with the 5. I need to wait. Yeah. 6 and 2, no. Need 2, I need, yeah. Okay, now. Need a 1 here. Need a 9 here. 1. Need a 1 here. Come on. This is taking too long. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers in 8. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 in these 2 boxes. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left with 8 in this big square. Should be there. 2, 2. Okay, you need a 2 there. Well, we have 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the first row, so no 2 in this box. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in the first row, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row, so in the third row. Only 2 place left on the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so in the column next, only 2 places left for the 2. Could be here, could be there. Yeah, I need a 2. And overlook this 2. Mark those 2 boxes elevated 2. We have a 2 now in this column, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. Need a 2 here. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. Here we have a 2. Here we have a 2. That means in this row, we need a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. Yeah, okay. Well, we have 2 in this column, so first column, so 2 in the second column, so the third column. There are only 2 places left for 2 here or there, so it should be here then. Cannot be there because those are occupied with 2 in one of these 2 boxes. Okay. Then need a 8, need a 1, need a 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8, and look, we have 1 and 8 in the last row. No 1 and 8 in this box. 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. Oh, I need a 4 here. 4. Okay. Alright. I need a 6 here. 4 and a 3. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Need a 3 here. 3 there. Okay. Yeah. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. No, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. 9, 9. Okay. You need a 9 here. You need a 9 here. 9, 9, 9. Okay. Let me think. Need a 1 here. No 1 here. 1, 1. 1, 9, 7, 5. 6, 6 needs 6 there. 6 there. Come on. 6 needs 6 there. Wow. 5, 4, 9, 2. Wow. This is... I'm stuck. I'm really stuck. I think 6. Need 6 there. Oh, 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places left. The 6 will be here or there. We have a 6 in the first row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. Need a 6 here. Okay, 2, 8. 8 in the third row. 8 in the second row. So in the first row, only place left 8 should be there. 8. Need 8 here. Okay. 3, 4, 9. Need a 9 here. A 9 in the third row. 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left on the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the second column. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column. 9 in the second column. So in the first column, only place left on 9 should be there. So here we have 2 missing numbers, the 1 and 8. Well, we have 8 in this big square, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 1 goes there. There's 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 in this column, third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, second column, only the column between. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Alright. Okay. short interruption about these two missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1 and 2. 3 is missing and 4 is missing. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Here also 3 and 4. 3 and 4 are missing. Here also 3 and 4. 3 and 4. So 3, 4, and I need a 6 there. Here. 6 in this row, 6 in the third row. So the row between here or there. Okay. About these 3 missing numbers. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 3, 4, 8. 3, 4, 8. 3, okay. Let me continue here. 3, 4, 2, 3. Here can be 3. Here can be 3. Need a 4 there. Okay. Need an 8 there. 8 in this row. Last row, 8 in a row above. So that row, the only 2 places left. 8. Could be here, could be there. No 9 here, no 9 there. 9, 9. 9, 9. 9, 9. 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left of 9 should be here on there. We have 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left of 9 should be here on there. We have 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 8, so the 8 goes there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes here. Alright. We have a pair, the 4 and the 9 in this row, the 4 and the 9 in this row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 4 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. And 1 box left in the last row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in this column. 5 in the middle column, so the column next, only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 is should be there. Can I count? And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 9. 2 numbers left in this big square from Mr. 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. That means 1 digit left in this row for number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 to 4, we have a 3 now in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. 3 or a... Wait, 3 to 4, we have a 3 in the first row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. 3 or 4, we have a 3 now in this row, so this box should be a 4. The 1 in the last column, the 1 in the column next on that column, the only place left the 1 should be there. The 1 in this row, the 1 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 1. How about the 3 now? 3 to 6. Okay, 1 box left in the last column for the 1. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. Yeah, 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then 2 numbers. No. 3 and the 8. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 numbers left now. 3, 4, 8. Well, we have an 8 now, so 3 and a 4 are left. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 4, I should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be in, a 6 goes there. 3 and a 6, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be in, 3 goes there. Final two numbers, the 1 and the 2, 3 is missing. 3 and a 6, we have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 3 goes there, finish in 15 minutes. Well, I'm faster than 20 minutes. Cannot be a 3 stars, should be a 2 stars. And we solved again, And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.